Good morning everyone! I'm Ryan and welcome to my video. Today's video, I will introduce to you my first aid kit or my output in PE04. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started! So ayan guys, I'm back. I have here my first aid kit. Taran! Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung ano ang first aid kit, ang first aid kit is a collection of supplies and equipment that is used to give medical treatment. For us future educator, it is important to know what is all about the first aid kit. So, what are you waiting for? Let's see what is inside my first aid kit. First, we have a blanket. So guys, hindi ito yung totoong blanket na ginagamit sa medical treatment. There is a specific blanket na ginagamit sa first aider. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, magpa-flash dyan sa video kung ano yung totoong blanket na ginagamit nila sa medical treatment. So this is blanket.
Blanket is used in emergencies to reduce heat loss in a person's body caused by thermal radiation, water evaporation, and convection, so they mainly keep us warm with the heat we're already always generating and losing.
Next, we have Band-Aid. Guys, kita nyo ba? Band-Aid. This is a Band-Aid. Sterilized plastic strip. Medicare. So, ito guys yung Band-Aid. Band-Aid. Kita nyo ba? Ito yung nasa loob na guys. Band-Aid.
Band-Aid. The adhesive bandage protects the wound and scalp from friction, bacteria, damage, and dirt. Thus, the healing process of the body is less disturbed. Some of the dressings have antiseptic properties. An additional function is to hold the two cut ends of the skin together to make the healing process faster.
Next, we have plastic bags. Hindi ko alam guys kung ito talaga yung ginagamit nila sa medical treatment na plastic bags. Pero, ito na lang yung alternative ko na plastic bags kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung saan ako bibili nun. Or talagang may specific talaga na plastic bag na ginagamit nila.
Plastic bags. Poking a small hole in plastic bag can create a very efficient manner of irritating a wound. You can fill it with water and squeeze the water out into a wound to provide a steady flow of water to a wound so you can clean it out thoroughly and keep water flowing to it as you stitch it up.
Next, we have flashlight and extra batteries. Guys, napaka-importante nitong flashlight because this flashlight gives light para naman makita mo yung halaga niya. Mas importante to kesa sa mga kandela. Tandaan nyo yan guys, tandaan nyo yan. Next, we have cold packs. Guys, this is not the real cold packs, printed lang to. Haha, printed lang. Kasi wala akong nabiling cold packs or wala talagang available na cold packs sa Watsons and other pharmacies na pinuntahan ko sa Lawa. So, I printed a example of cold pack. It's an instant cold pack. Yan. Pero pag wala talaga kayong cold pack, pwede kayong gumamit ng alternative. Alam nyo ba kung ano yon? Ganito yon. Kung wala kayong cold pack, gumamit lang kayo ng malinis na bimpo. Tapos lagyan nyo ng ice dun sa loob. Ganon. Ganon, lagyan nyo ng ice, tapos i-ganon-ganon nyo sa mga sugat. Ganon yon.
Cold pack to bring down swelling from sprains or insect bites. The newer ones developed for emergency kits don't need to be frozen ahead of time. You just squeeze them to start the cooling reaction.
Next, we have triangular bandage. Yan yung triangular bandage. Wala rin akong nabili guys na triangular bandage sa pharmacy na pinuntahan ko sa Lawag. Kaya, alam niyo naman siguro kung ano yung triangular bandage. Ganyan yan guys, oh. Ganyan yan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo or ipa-flash ko sa video yung totoong triangular bandage. Pero pag wala talaga kayong nakuhang triangular bandage, meron din namang alternative. Mag-cut lang kayo ng triangular pieces of cloth sa mga malilinis nyong damit or anything na makikita nyo sa bahay nyo. Yun, gawin yung triangular bandage.
Triangular bandage. A triangular bandage is used as an arm sling or as a pad to control bleeding. It may also be used to support or immobilize an injury to a bone or joint or as improvised padding over a painful injury.
Next, we have scissors. Again, this is not the scissor that is used for medical treatment. Pero, sakto na to guys. Pangkat ng mga adhesive tape or mga gauze bandages.
Scissors with rounded tips for cutting adhesive tape, gauze, or clothing. The most common use of scissors is for cutting gauze and sometimes even adhesive bandages to an appropriate length.
Next, we have tweezers. Ayan siya guys, tweezers. Tweezers. Para siyang tiyaning. Ganon. Chu-chu. Tweezers is for removing splinters, shards of glass, and ticks and so on. Next, we have disposable gloves. Disposable gloves protect the key contact point with the victim and the hands and allow you to work in an increased safety. Alam naman natin guys na ang mga kamay natin ay nagtataglay ng iba't ibang mikrobyo or germs, bacteria that can affect the healing process or the injuries. Next, we have gauze bandage. This is 8 plus gauze bandage and nabili ko to sa Watsons for only 19 pesos. So, mura siya guys. This is a wooden fabric bandage. Ito yung nilalagay nila sa mga sugat for final dressing. Next, we have hand sanitizers. Pero pag wala kayong hand sanitizers, gumamit lang kayo ng charan! Alcohol. This is important nowadays, lalo na ngayong COVID-19. Patok ito, lalo na sa Pilipinas. Very important, especially pag wala kayong soap or water na ilagay sa inyong first aid kit. Ito na lang yung gamitin nyo for your hands or to disinfect your hands. And lastly, we have first aid antibiotics or pain reliever ointment. This is also important for injuries of like minor injuries, scratches. This is also important for pain relief ointment. So ayan guys, thank you for watching and I hope you learned something about this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and bye! See you for my next video. Hope so.